Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you the SLP clutch removal tool. And what's nice about this tool is it's going to work for all of your clutch covers. So Polaris comes with a couple different sizes of bolts on their clutch covers, and this has two options on the end. You have one that fits the 8mm head bolts and one that fits the 3/8 inch head bolts. So it also has a magnet, and some of the clutch cover bolts stay in the cover at all times, and then other covers have bolts that remove all the way. So if it's the kind that remove all the way, this will help prevent losing those bolts. So really the main thing that's nice about this though is that it's flexible. So a lot of these clutch cover bolts are hard to get at, and that's what this flexible tool allows you to do. You can get in there and spin it at an angle and get those out. And then when you're going back together, you're not going to have to worry about over torquing anything, just because this is a screwdriver handle. And that's it. That's the SLP clutch removal tool. If you need it, it's available on our website along with OEM and aftermarket parts. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a lot of other helpful videos on there. Thanks for watching.